Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe here, and in this video I want to talk to you about 3 tips for making better money online. So the title of this video, Better Tips, I'm specifically referring to lifestyle when it comes to making money online. I've been doing this for a while, as you guys probably already know. So I know some traps you can fall into when it comes to doing this, and it's just not good for your overall, I don't want to say your physical health or like your physiological health. You sort of lose the balance. Not that you spend all your time on it, but you spend too much time on it, or you're just thinking about it too much for the effort you're putting in. It's very similar to what I was saying in my video about, is this worth it anymore? Just some of the comments I made in that. So before I get started with the tips, I actually have another sponsor for this video. It's related to the last video sponsor, but these past 2 sponsors have been different than the usual sponsors I do, as it is another fellow YouTube creator. It is the Tech Hustler. He's another YouTuber that makes videos about making money with smartphones and computers. He just reached 1,000 subscribers. He said he is a bit different in the way he brings life to the community, and I watched a few of his videos. I definitely agree with that. Not that I'm not a positive person or anything anyway, but it is different. And like I said, he makes videos about this stuff. He also has a website called TechHustlerTV.com. It's not finished yet, but I'll put a link in the description. It's going to be another GPT site, so I'm excited to see what they do with that. So the first one I have for you guys is just set your expectations before you even start, or take a step back and realize what you're willing to do, what you're not willing to do, and make sure you set the expectations of what you will earn correctly. As you guys know, I'm a lot more passive now than I even was a year ago, and that's one of the reasons why my earnings were lower. The reason I'm like this is just because I don't have as much time as I used to, but I did have an extended routine spreadsheet that I didn't put online because I felt it was too cluttered, where I would literally put timetables on it to say, okay, for my manual stuff, for my real manual stuff anyway, when am I gonna do this? How much time am I gonna spend on it? And when am I not absolutely going to do it? When do I give myself time for other things? And of course, we have, a lot of us have other responsibilities in life. I certainly do. All of us do, and you obviously block out time for that, but also in your free time. The second tip, you have to realize you're going to earn what you're going to earn, and you cannot try and gauge the ranges before you even earn it. From this tip 2, you're directly taking what you had from tip 1, which is setting up your routine, setting your expectations and your limits, and then you're saying, okay, whatever this does, whatever I do, I earn what I earn with it, and I've already set my limits, so I'm not going to try and do more and more. And the last tip I have is stay in the routine that you've built. What I've seen a lot of is people will take their devices and say, okay, it's not earning as much on this particular thing, let me switch it over to this. And there's all this fidgeting around, and I used to be like that as well, but honestly, just set it up how you had it set up in the first place. Just leave it be. You'll probably waste more time than your time is worth by trying to fidget around and switch things. As you guys know with this stuff, it goes up and down and up and down, so if it dips for you, just ride it out, let it keep going, or keep doing what you're doing. Make it mindless. It's a routine. You do it and then you don't think about it anymore. I think a lot of people get too caught up. So those are 3 lifestyle tips I've learned from doing this for a while. I guess it's similar to work-life balance in a way. I mean, money's involved, so the same kind of things can happen. But yeah, hopefully it was helpful. They've definitely helped me. Just don't let it drive you crazy, because then you get burnt out, and that's not good. That happens every once in a while to me, but especially just like a whole tech burnout, not just like I hate this stuff burnout. So yeah, hopefully you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in another video. In the meantime, have fun making money. Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.